was the first. It was the embryo, it was the thing that started it all.
And when it opened, I like to call it sushi with energy, because at the time, there were not a lot of sushi restaurants that had music and drinks and a cocktail menu, and we were the first of its kind.
The location at that time was one of the better locations in New York City because the nightlife was here, the restaurant scene was here.
People came for the drinks, but they came back for the food.
People were going banana. Once you move into the restaurant, okay, you can slice the atmosphere just like that.
It was 89 seats and 5 bar stools. We're doing $5 million a year, and we had a 2-hour wait of people sitting outside and drinking on the sidewalk. This is where we became the Sex and the City restaurant.
Dirty martini, dirty bastard.
The place is packed and the food is flowing from all over. And it was incredible how people were happy to be here at Sushi Samba Park Avenue.
We drank early, came for dinner, had dessert at the bar. Who could you pick up at the bar?
There are a lot of babies that are alive today.
Handing out
due
the
to
napkins to the girls.
Of Sushi Samba.
And when you looked at anyone, they were smiling, sexy. This was the most unbelievable spot in the United States at that moment in time.
So the fact that we are closing this place, it only means a lot of good things that's going to happen.
So we started here in Gramercy, and now we're in the center of London.
We're going to grow in Dubai, we're going to grow in the Middle East, we're going to grow in Asia.
I'm looking forward, but it's always going to be Park Avenue that open all of these stores.